Welcome back my peeps, and today I will be turning my knotless braids into some faux locks because I didn't want to take my braids out, so I turned it into a different style. These are the products that I use to help me achieve this look. I use roughly about 4-pack of the LuLuTress here, and let's get started. So as you can see, I did these off camera just to get a little practice because it's my first time doing it. So what I did was take the Cream of Nature leave-in conditioner and I re-moisturized my hair so that it will stay protected under the LuLuTress here. And then I will go in and I will take my Shine and Jam and I'll go around the edges, take my edge brush just to ensure that everything is neat, as you can see what I'm doing here. So I would take 3 strands of the LuLuTress here. Each strand, what I do is, you can see in the video, I open up each strand just to fluff the strands out, because the fluffier the strands are, the more coverage you get when you're wrapping the hair around the braid itself. And this is actually a really cute hack if you have braids and you don't want to take your braids out and you want to fresh up and get a new look. You can actually do this quick and easy style. It took me a minute to get it because it's my first time, but it came out pretty good, and your girl slayed the hell out of this style because I had an outing the next day and I decided I want to pretty up. So as I'm finished fluffing the hair out, I put the hair in 2, and then I put the shorter side in my left hand, the longer side in my right hand, and then I start to wrap around the root of my hair in the braid. Now I wrap the root probably more than 4 times because I want to secure the faux lock on my hair in the braid itself, and then I begin to work my way down towards the end of the braid. Now I eventually got into a rhythm by wrapping, and I used my thumb to flip the hair around, which was a really good method for me. So basically I did what works for me in this case, and it actually turned out good. So I'm gonna let you guys see the entire process and how I completed the lock on this braid itself. So once I'm through with each lock, I just put the lock in the palm of my hands and just rub together. And the reason for this is to loosen the lock up so it won't be stiff and I can move it around. But overall, I love what I did so far. So I repeated this entire process throughout the entirety of my head. Sadly, I ran out of here because I thought only 2 packs would have got the job done, but it didn't, and I had to go get more. But it turned out really, really, really great. So this is what the front half of my head looks like, guys. It turned out really, really cute and nice. And this is how I styled it to go to my outing the day after. It was really, really cute. Your girl rocked the hell out of this style. And this is how it looks being out. I really loved it, and I would definitely do this again once I put some more braids in. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you in the next video.
Ooh. Yeah.